Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I believe Oracle Database 23 AI is going to be a game changer. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Oracle Database 23 AI on your Windows laptop or your Windows desktop. Let's get started. For this to work, there are majorly three steps. One, install Oracle VM VirtualBox if you don't have it already installed. Second, download the OVA file, import the OVA file, then start the virtual machine. That's it. All right. So I'm going to take you step by step through the process. I'm going to leave all the links in the description. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and download the Windows installer. All right, so it's going to take probably a minute, or maybe less. Once you have that, go ahead and install Oracle VM VirtualBox. If you have already installed VM VirtualBox, we can go to the next step. All right, the next step is to download the OVA file. So navigate to this page and scroll down to Oracle VM VirtualBox section. And you can click on the file name, which is Oracle Database 23 AI free developer.ova. Click on it. It's going to download. This is a big file, I think around 5 to 6 GB. So it's going to take a few minutes. Once you have downloaded it, then let's go ahead and do the next step. Next step is to start the Oracle VM VirtualBox. Once you have it, click on Tools and then Import. This is where we're going to go ahead and select the OVA file that we downloaded. So you can browse, go to wherever you have downloaded it. For me, it is in Downloads. So I'm going to go ahead and select the OVA file, click on Open, click on Next. I'm going to accept all the defaults and then click on Agree. All right. So here you'll see that the OVA file is getting imported. It's probably going to take a minute or so. Once it is done, we'll come back and do the next step. All right, the virtual machine has been imported. You can see the virtual machine here, Oracle Database 23 AI free developer. So let's go ahead and start. So select, click on Start. This is again going to take a few seconds. So it's going to power off the virtual machine and I will come back once it is done. All right, the virtual machine is all powered up. We are logged into the machine. We're going to see a couple of terminal windows. Ignore them for now. You're going to see this web page. It gives you all the necessary links and information for you to start working with the database. You can click on this link to launch Apex and you can create your own Apex application. But we are more interested in running some queries. So I'm going to select this link, which is going to ask you to log in, and we can then use the SQL Developer Web to execute queries. So let's click on it. I'm going to use the HR schema and username is Oracle. All right, so it's going to show you this web page, and you can see we are in the development tab and we have SQL selected on the left side. You don't have to do much. Let's click on Open, and here you have your SQL editor. So you can run through the tutorial if you want. But I'm just going to click on Close. Let's write some queries. Well, at least one. So I'm just going to go with select star from employees. All right, so we have the data. So yeah, so it's pretty easy to install the database and connect and run your own queries. Now you can start creating your tables and procedures and whatnot. Hopefully this was helpful. I'm going to be making more videos on Oracle Database 23 AI and Apex. So I'll be posting those videos. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you get alerted whenever I upload these videos. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, be connected on LinkedIn. I post a lot of content on LinkedIn on a regular basis. All right, I'll talk to you in the next one. I hope you all have a great rest of your Sunday. Take care. Bye.